In this video, I'll help you find the best air fryer oven. All products mentioned in this video will be listed in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, the Ninja DT251 Foodi isn't just an air fryer oven. It's a $329 culinary powerhouse. It's equipped with true surround convection technology, boasting up to 10 times the convection power of traditional ovens. This versatile appliance offers a remarkable array of 10 functions, including air frying, roasting, and baking. Its standout feature is the Foodi Smart Thermometer, ensuring precise cooking every time. Remarkably, it heats up in just 90 seconds and boasts a cooking speed 30 times faster than conventional ovens. The extra large capacity is a game changer, easily accommodating a 5-pound chicken or two 12-inch pizzas. While users love its versatility and efficiency, the sizable footprint might be a consideration for smaller kitchens. Some users find it less effective for baking, noting a challenge in browning tops, but one enthusiast praised its overall cooking performance despite a learning curve with rack-level settings. The next one, we got the Cuisinart TOA-70, priced at $196, and it is not just an air fryer, but a convection toaster marvel. This appliance is powered by 1800 watts and offers a variety of cooking methods, including air fryer, broil, and grill. With the ability to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, or roast a 4-pound chicken, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Users have lauded its multi-purpose nature, with some deeming it the best Cuisinart product they've ever used. A few users, however, have noticed a distinct electrical smell when operating at high temperatures and mentioned that it can be challenging to clean. Its sleek design and intuitive controls makes it both a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen appliance. Despite its few drawbacks, the TOA-70 continues to be a popular choice for those seeking a multifunctional air fryer oven. We also have the Cuisinart TOA-60, available at a price of $219. This blends the functionality of an air fryer with the convenience of a toaster oven. It's designed to accommodate 6 slices of bread or a 4-pound chicken, making it suitable for a variety of cooking tasks. Praised for its multifunctionality, it allows users to enjoy air frying, toasting, and roasting with ease. Some users, however, have pointed out that the oven's design might lead to uneven heating. The TOA-60 is appreciated for its robust build and efficient heating capabilities. Its user-friendly interface and durable construction make it a reliable choice for everyday cooking. Despite a few concerns about heat distribution, it remains a favorite option for those who value versatility and reliability in their kitchen appliances. Moving on to the Cuisinart TOA-95, priced at $238, which stands out as a premium air fryer toaster oven with a comprehensive range of functions. From air frying to slow cooking, it has an extra large capacity suitable for a 4-pound air fryer or a 9x13-inch baking pan. Users generally praise its versatility and user-friendliness, with some even rating it above 5 stars. However, it has been noted that while it excels in air frying, it is less efficient as a toaster, requiring more time to brown bread or bagels. Additionally, a few users have reported durability issues after extensive use. The TOA-95 is celebrated for its sleek design and advanced features, making it a standout choice for tech-savvy cooks. Despite its few limitations, the TOA-95 remains a top choice for those seeking a high-performance, multifunctional kitchen appliance. Finally, we got the WHALL air fryer oven, priced at $119, is an 11-in-1 appliance boasting a substantial 30-quart capacity. It features various cooking presets and a surround convection design for even heat distribution. Some users praise its ample space and cooking efficiency, while others have noted issues with the fitting or racks. This model is ideal for those who need a large capacity air fryer without breaking the bank, but it's important to consider potential quality concerns. The WHALL air fryer oven stands out for its ability to handle large cooking tasks, making it suitable for big families or entertaining. It has a modern design that fits well in contemporary kitchens, adding both functionality and style. While it excels in capacity and price, users should weigh its performance against their specific cooking needs and preferences. So, in selecting the ideal air fryer oven, factors like cooking capacity, versatility, ease of use, and your kitchen space must be considered. The Ninja DT251 offers quick cooking and smart features, while the Cuisinart models, each with their unique functions and capacities, cater to a variety of cooking styles. The WHALL model with its large capacity provides an affordable option but may have some quality trade-offs. Ultimately, the best choice will align with your specific cooking requirements and kitchen dynamics. Each model offers distinctive features to meet different culinary needs. And there you have it, my list of the best air fryer ovens. And don't forget that links to all the products mentioned in this video are listed down in the description of this video. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.